Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Cadillac SRX trunk with dead battery. First, fold the rear seat down to access the trunk area through the cabin opening. Locate the manual trunk release cable or lever behind the seat or inside a small access panel. Use a flashlight and gently pull the release while stabilizing the latch. Then lift the trunk lid slowly once it disengages. Start by moving the seat release levers to fold the rear seats flat and clear your workspace. Look for a plastic access cover near the trunk latch inside the cargo area or behind the seat. Pry it open with a flat tool. Once you see the manual release cable or lever, wear gloves and pull it straight back with steady force until the latch releases, then lift the trunk slowly and secure it open. If interior electronics still respond, try using the physical key or the fob to open the trunk first to avoid access work. If the fob is dead, check for a hidden key slot on the trunk handle or use the interior release if any power remains. A portable jump pack can revive enough system power to use the electronic button, but always secure the car and follow safety steps to avoid shorts or sparks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.